Good morning. Welcome to our project presentation. Our topic Hydraulic Traffic Radio System. I am Srikuti. My team members are Sharath, Riya and Rishma. Our project is guided by Himamis, Assistant Professor, Civil Department, Trinity College of Engineering. The overview of our presentation contains abstract, introduction, why I selected this topic, scope and objective, literature review, how it works, project phases, present day relevance, future scope, conclusion and reference. Abstract. Hydraulic traffic radio system can reduce time delay caused by traffic congestion. In cities where the number of vehicles continuously increases faster than the available traffic infrastructure to support them. Traffic congestion is a difficult issue to deal with and it becomes even worse in case of car accidents. Hydraulic traffic radio system is not much popular in our country. It works in accordance to human emergency needs. Introduction. India is one of the fastest growing economies in the world. The average income of India is growing and thereby the number of privately covered vehicles is rising. Hence, traffic control problems are arising. Hydraulic traffic radio system is a method that can be used as a solution to the problem faced by emergency service vehicles in many parts of the world. This is one of the best solutions to control the traffic. It helps humans to elevate or demote the height of footpath. Works in accordance to human emergency needs. It works with the help of hydraulic jacks. Why I selected this topic? The existing circumstances need a solution like hydraulic TRS. In our country, a major fraction experiences long responding time from emergency service vehicles. Many casualties are being reported in our country too. Hydraulic TRS can reduce time delay caused by emergency service vehicles. Hence, we believe to make a change in prevalent condition. Here is the news on online newspaper due to emergency service vehicles delay in India. The patients die as ambulances get stuck in traffic jam. This is a report regarding to support our needs for the system. Scopes and objectives. So first here the scope. The traffic congestion is more effective in places such as city slums, urban areas and heavy populated area. So the system can be installed in traffic congested area. And the objectives are reduce time delay caused by emergency service vehicles and to reduce number of deaths and other casualties due to traffic congestion. The increase in road traffic congestion has led to severe consequences on individuals, economy and environment. The most critical among the consequences is the delay of emergency vehicles and increase the deaths on roads. Literature review. These are the journals we gone through for our presentation. International Research Journal of Science and Technology by Ms. Nida Afreen and Aslam Khan. And the point that may go from journal is that hydraulic jack is used to elevate or demote footpath. Engineering solution for traffic safety problems of road transportation by Oleg Vladimirov and the point may got that use of hydraulic jack in traffic system. Traffic control system past, present and future by Chase MJ and Hansen RG and the point may got that application of advanced technologies in transportation engineering. Project phases. Topic selection, literature reference, selection of installation site, revising steps in working model, selection of material, finalized the working model. Next, steps in installation of hydraulic TRS. A site should be selected for the installation of the system. A platform equipped with the hydraulic TRS should be added within a length up to which traffic congestion exists. The plate can be raised and can be demoted. Traffic officers at the site can be work the system according to their needs. The control of the system lies exactly with the traffic officers. As the emergency vehicle reaches the spot, according to the solution, the officers can direct the vehicle through the hydraulic traffic reduce system. Measures taken during the working of the system. The emergency service vehicle should be directed to the platform by proper signals. We should ensure the movement of public vehicles to enable smooth traveling of the vehicle. Before operating hydraulic TRS, proper signals should be closed using a separate signal system uniformly. Roads that link with main road should be closed. After conducting the vehicle to safe spot, all the systems and hydraulic TRS should be changed to initial safe. Just as the efficient working of the system, the operation to bring it back is also necessary. First, emergency signals are used in many metropolitan cities now so as to control the movement of vehicles when ambulance or fire engines pass. Next instrument is emergency vehicle detection sensor, which are connected in vehicles so as to make officers precautions while on the work. This they can be make wanted arrangement for this vehicle to pass. Now the working of hydraulic TRS is by the hydraulic jack. It is a device used for lifting heavy loads by the application or applying of much smaller forces. It is based on Pascal's law, that is, the intensity of pressure transmitted equally in all directions through a mass of fluid at rest. Hydraulic jacks are devices that have countless applications. Next, present day relevance. Through this system, we can reduce time delay caused by emergency service vehicle to their destination. These are the problems that taking pledge give way to ambulance initiated by government. Then future scope. In future, when we construct new road, we can install this system in footpath. We can introduce a new concept of two-in-one uses of footpath. It has less land requirement. It will also create a great impact of our country in new construction technology world. Now we conclude our topic. Hydraulic traffic radio system in footpath with less area is very innovative in construction world. There is no need to construct any special type of construction to install hydraulic jacks. It helps to reduce construction cost. It also saves the cost of land. It helps during emergencies such as road accident and traffic jam. And references. These are the references we gone through for our presentation. Thank you.